Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing an eye tutorial using a palette from Makeup Revolution. So I got this palette for free when I bought some Makeup Revolution products, and the palette is so gorgeous. I love it. This is the look here that I created using this palette. This is how the palette is looking, and it comes in 8 shades. I've already prepped my eyes by applying concealer and powder. I'm gonna take this matte brown shade and use it to contour the eyes at the crease. I'm gonna blend it until the color looks softer. I will then go in with this wine shade and apply it on my crease area. I will then take my concealer and apply it onto my lid to provide a guide for the cut crease.
The seasons turn and change just like your mind. Like the sun gives into the moon, into the night.
I'm gonna go for the shimmer shades and add them to my lids.
It slowly crawls. With each new one starting, I recall you came into my life just like another season. Not for long, just a time, just like another season. Maybe this time next year you'll reap me for no reason, but I'll cherish every day until you come my way.
I'm gonna take a dark shimmer shade and apply it on my outer corner and blend it seamlessly with the other one. With my L'Oreal eyeliner, I will then create an eye wing.
Each time of year carries memories, like a never fading whisper in the breeze. Oh, we will keep on changing all over.
With my LA Pro concealer, I will then highlight. I'm gonna go in with the yellow corrector because I want this yellowish look. I will then go in with my Makeup Revolution concealer and contour with it. Then I'm gonna go in with my beauty blender and blend everything. To set the concealer, I'm gonna be using my Sacha Buttercup powder.
The seasons come and go like thoughts of you, like a wave returns to the sea, into the blue. They change, but it
I'm gonna go back to this dark brown shade and apply it on my lower lash line.
each painful, but
And I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Fit Me powder. Highlight, I'm gonna be using my Lottie London highlighter palette.
just like another season. Not for long, just a time, just like another season.
And I'm gonna set everything with my NYX setting spray. Then take this lip liner from Primark and line my lips. Lipstick that I'm going to be using today is from Art Deco. What do you think of the eyeshadow palette? Let me know by leaving a comment below. Until next time, goodbye.